오늘 소개할 영화는 넷플릭스에서 꽤 오랫동안 회자되는 범죄 액션 스릴러 카오스입니다. 복잡하게 얽힌 범죄, 예측할 수 없는 전개, 그리고 한 남자가 몰고 온 거대한 혼란. 여러분, 이 영화 끝까지 가봐야 진짜 정체가 보입니다. 형체도 제대로 알아보기 어려운 사고 차량 하나가 비틀거리며 멈춰서고 그 안에서 한 남자가 기어 나옵니다. 희범벅이 된 얼굴, 숨은 거칠게 몰아쉬고 있죠. 그는 경찰에게 쫓기고 있었습니다. 한 여성을 붙잡아 인질로 삼지만
They betrayed his testimony, fine. I'm gonna apologize for doing my job.
하지만 이때부터 이 도시는 카오스라는 이름에 맞는 혼란 속으로 들어가게 됩니다. 남자를 태운 차량에서 내린 수상한 인물들. 모두 뚜껑과 선글라스를 쓰고 있죠. 이들의 목적은 단 하나, 은행. 허공을 향해 총을 난사합니다.
You picked the wrong day not to use the ATM.
그리고 폭탄 설치.
Fire in the hole!
그런데 이들의 행동엔 뭔가 이상한 점이 있습니다. 돈을 챙기지 않습니다. 무언가 다른 목적이 있는 것처럼 보이죠.
I only have one demand, and one demand only.
이때 등장하는 인물이 바로 정직 처분을 받은 베테랑 형사
I need to speak to you, Quentin. It's important.
코너스. 그를 찾아온 형사 이노와 데커는
We got a hostage situation over at American Globe. We won't talk to anybody but you.
Say I did one, I'm suspended.
You're back on the force. Unleash you alone. Shane here's your new partner.
Nice.
Connors has been reinstated to full active duty and his scene. Special circumstances will defer to Connors.
그리고 코너스를 감시할 목적으로 신참 형사 데커가 동행하게 되죠.
Realign it to the bank, let's see what they really want.
It isn't Detective Connor.
Well, for now, call me the Reds.
We heard an explosion.
One who matters is fine.
Since Seattle's finest needs a presence on the scene,
I needed to have someone who's been through this experience. Well, I guess you want to know about the hostages, huh?
there's approximately 4
Someone's dead.
theory. Chaos has some order to it.
Wouldn't be too much to ask for you and your colleagues just to pack up and bounce.
Knows police protocol, not to mention the shit in our own precinct. He's buying time. Why?
That's a big call, Quentin. Have you thought about what you're doing?
They've already confessed to killing someone. That's an automatic murder one. Now,
Gwen.
cut the power, and we go in at 11:15 and shoot.
You, come here! Here they come.
강도들을 향해 공격을 지시합니다.
The power.
그런데 그 순간 예기치 못한 일이 벌어지죠.
Stand the fuck down, Commander. It's a trap.
지시를 무시한 경찰 특공대가 승인을 기다리지 않고 은행으로 돌입해버린 겁니다. 폭탄이 터지고 인질들은 가까스로 빠져나오지만 강도들은 이미 사라진 뒤였습니다. 기척도 흔적도 남아있지 않았죠.
Anybody come your way?
No, no one went by us.
Love's massive. Mess.
Let him walk right past us. Fucking beautiful.
The two that were strung up, they're alive, but they're in critical condition.
Background checks on every hostage.
CCTV에는 강도들이 현금엔 전혀 손대지 않은 이상한 장면만 남아 있습니다. 이쯤 되면 분명합니다. 이건 단순한 강도 사건이 아닙니다. 영화가 흥미로운 이유는 여기서부터 시작됩니다. 이 사건들은 마치 카오스 이론처럼 움직입니다.
Prince Amar al-Alban is one of the wealthiest and least popular.
This is fascinating shit. What about the money?
Cash drawers don't appear to be touched.
I think this Lorenz is trying to tell us something. The way he spoke, paused before certain words. You ever heard of the chaos theory?
It's the study of phenomena that appear random, which can be described mathematically.
Now we can try to work together and make the best of a bad situation.
Connors, come in. I got something you're gonna want to see.
Come over and see this.
Detective, you can't stay away from me, can you?
Damon Richards. Career loser.
작은 선택 하나가 도시 전체를 흔들어 놓는 도미노가 되는 것. 데이먼이라는 용의자를 잡는 과정에서 코너스는 총상을 입고도 추격을 멈추지 않습니다. 창문을 통해 달아나는 그 혼란 속에서도 데이먼을 쫓기 위해 바이커에게 오토바이를 빌려 추격합니다.
I'm a police officer.
Good, dude. All yours, man.
도로 위에서 펼쳐지는 추적전, 아슬아슬한 회피, 속도, 충돌, 마침내 데이먼을 따라잡지만 데커는 균형을 잃고 크게 넘어져 버립니다. 도망치던 데이먼은 경찰을 따돌렸다고 생각했지만 그 앞에 나타난 건 다름 아닌 코너스. 그는 데이먼을 그대로 잡고 갑니다.
Fucking lawyer.
He's unconscious but stable with a nice knot on his.
Hey, Quincy, come on. Give it a rest.
Gina claims she doesn't know anything about a bank robbery.
Father was Harry Decker. But are you going on a trip?
Must be 50 large. His cut.
First of all, every bank has their own money bans, and these are not American Global.
4 months ago, $500,000 was stolen in an armed robbery there.
About 400,000 now. Brings me to point number 2. Smell that.
What is that?
When evidence comes in, so now, to mark the bills, we just spray a scented solution direct. Try and keep up with the times, eh, Connors? Now, this money's from the World National Financial Job in our evidence room. For a list of things you can put in my mouth.
Remember who headed up the World National case?
I think it was Calla. Why?
For no reason, just thinking out loud. We found the money, Gina.
Money was Damon.
Felony murder 1. If you're protecting.
I didn't do nothing.
Simple, you insist on a lawyer, I'll take your kid.
You can't take my kids away from me. You can't take my children away from me.
That money should be downstairs.
What's the sin?
Heard you were back.
Drugs, weapons, cash. Sitting here for the taking. Walk right in and take whatever you want.
Here it is. Line 17.
Bernie Callow.
Like I said, no one takes anything out of here unless they sign.
Money from Richard's place traced back to the World National heist.
Bernie signed the money out of evidence himself 2 weeks ago.
If it is Callow, why didn't they ask for him at the bank?
You feel okay to continue?
그는 이미 죽어 있었습니다.
None of the neighbors heard anything.
Yes.
그리고 갑자기 걸려오는 전화. 은행 강도 두목이었죠.
Starting to connect the dots, putting all the pieces together.
They wouldn't punish you.
But I will. Vengeance will be mine, detective.
Come on, as cops, we come across every temptation in the book.
Why?
Man said he wanted vengeance.
They didn't touch the cash or the safe deposit. Still makes sense to you? Return to the earth now. Your mind is troubled and your heart is. Wait, hold on a sec. You see that?
See what?
Go back a little. Look closely at the camera angles. They're all fixed, right? They don't rotate. Now, camera 8 dominates our attention because of the explosion.
Where are you going?
Change the angle.
What's in that corner they don't want us to see?
Watch your eyes.
Dex,
Yes, sir.
you hack into this?
Hack into a nationwide bank security system. Yeah, I'd love to.
What do we do in the meantime?
Excuse me, something today. Being around you, all that's happened, I can't. I made a mistake.
It's too late. Made your choice.
They got a match.
Got a name?
Chris Lee.
For a company. The system breaks down. You have to compensate to get. It means justice absolute.
Ah, shit.
Fare thee well, Chris.
로렌조는 이미 사라지고 만 뒤였죠. 퍼즐이 완성될 듯 하면서도 다시 흐트러지는 것 같은 느낌. 바로 카오스의 본질입니다.
You fucking idiot. Fuck yourself.
데커는 데이먼을 신문하는 과정에서 심리적 트릭을 사용해 결국 자백을 받아냅니다.
Morphine. No pain. If I were to inject this whole thing, that'd be all she wrote for Damon. This equipment malfunctions all the time, Damon. You don't have to tell us anything. Plead the fifth.
Okay.
We'll talk.
There's never been a single case in recorded medical history of someone overdosed.
Damon Richards testifies that Lauren's true identity is also the brother of John Curtis, the perp Connors. And we also have the names of two other accomplices, Lamar Galt, and we have that address.
Drop the weapon. It was not to be.
경찰은 잠복을 시작하고
We can't let him walk. We gotta go now.
Stand down.
We bust him now. We got something.
If they ride, reel them in. I want Curtis.
He's fucking out here.
하지만 들려오는 삐삐 소리 곧바로 동료들의 공격이 시작됩니다. 집 안에는 코너스의 사진들, 신문 기사들,
Oh my god. Last warning.
그리고 시한폭탄까지 놓여 있었습니다. 코너스는 범인을 제압하지만 2차 폭발이 일어납니다. 그리고 멀리서 이 장면을 지켜보는 수수께끼의 남자 웨슬리. 현장에서 발견된 것은 코너스의 경찰 배지.
It had to happen to somebody.
You've always been jealous of him, Martin.
Jealous?
Because he wasn't just a better cop.
Detective, go home. Is there something you want to say?
No, sir. She said it perfectly.
Connors was right. We should have never gone in. How fucking dumb are we?
I know what they're doing inside the bank. We've just witnessed the largest bank heist in history, about $1 billion. They planted a computer virus and deposits it into the bad guy's account. So you wire out $1 million from a handful of accounts.
Where's the money now?
I don't know. And another, and it's never in one place long enough to get an accurate fix.
So they weren't trying to make it look like they were robbing a bank. Ripped off a Saudi prince to rob a bank. Chaos.
What you gonna do now?
Make detective my compliments on a fine day.
You're a murderer, cop killer.
Keller was insignificant. Connors, he deserved his fate.
Sir, it doesn't add up. Why would he say Callow's insignificant? Who? Rams, Curtis called me. The front money to hire the crew.
Curtis called you.
Yeah.
You did good today, Shane. Father would be very proud. Get some sleep. More bad guys for you tomorrow.
Sit down. How did you come at you, Harry? All day long, we thought Callow was the dirty cop. Here's the sign-out sheet from the evidence room.
They're not the same signatures, Harry. Here's your file.
You were reprimanded 1 month ago when you confronted Callow outside the courthouse.
Cops who testify against cops shouldn't be breathing the same air.
Forged Callow's signature. You gave him the money. Don't deny it, Harry, because I know he got a raw deal. You're helping a cop killer, Harry. Is this how you want to go out?
My conscience is clean.
This has been a very long day. And I'm tired, Harry. Just when we have him, he disappears. He's been 2 steps ahead of Connors and me all day.
Who knows Connors better than him?
How the hell does Curtis know Connors better than anyone?
모두가 그가 죽었다고 생각하지만 데커는 뭔가 이상함을 느꼈습니다. 그때서야 실체가 드러납니다. 코너스와 요커 둘은 한 팀이었죠.
You don't want to do.
총을 쏜 것도 사건의 방향을 꼬아놓은 것도 모든 혼란을 설계한 것도 코너스였습니다.
York plays his old partner, knowing all this.
Cut the power.
Frames his enemy for the crime.
That's blueprints from the bank. And he's gone, and you ain't never gonna find. Hello. Got him. Excellent, thank you.
That'll be $8.48, please.
Keep the change.
Jason York, this is the police. Put your hand. Okay, just be cool, okay? Oh, jeez. Okay, I give up. Be cool, okay? I give up, all right?
요커는 종업원을 인질로 잡고
Nope. If you want to bring me in, have to work for it. Yeah, standing there with some punk holding a gun to a. Should I do? What would you do? What would you do? You do exactly what I did. Everybody out! Get out!
You all right?
Yeah,
Which way did he go?
towards the pier.
FBI's got a team of 40 technicians working on Lee's body.
Your conviction would be admirable. That it's so sad. Bad guy wins at the end of this story.
컨테이너 사이에서 마지막 저항을 시도하지만 이미 흐름은 끝났습니다.
Think Connors will be sorry that you died. To be denied.
데커가 그를 제압합니다.
Smell that? Well, when evidence is taken in any to market, we just spray a scented solution right on the bills.
요커의 지갑에서 꺼낸 낡은 지폐 한 장.
I think this Lorenz is trying to tell us something.
You don't say.
그 속에서 데커는 뭔가 이상한 패턴을 발견합니다. 그 순간 모든 퍼즐이
No,
맞춰지죠.
maybe he's not on a flight. Try again. James Glick.
I need to know what passenger James.
진짜 최종 빌런은 코너스였다.
Things are not what they appear to be, nor are they.
$10.
Random camera catches an image of Damon Richards. Chaos theory. Not that I was impressed.
All day long, we were trying to figure out who the inside source was. $1 billion is.
Ironically, when you guys shut off the power, hide the virus and bought it time to work.
Who got killed? Curtis, Harrington, Gold, Lee? Well, it's safer with him gone.
Hoods. What about Callow?
It's his fault. One random causes another, causes another. In the end, the pattern emerges. This is the chaos theory.
You're not gonna get away.
I already have. Good luck. But I have to go now.
그는 이미 모든 걸 준비해둔 채 도시를 혼란에 빠뜨렸고 이제 아무 제지도 받지 않고 비행기에 올랐답니다. 그렇게 영화는 끝납니다. 영화 카오스는 제목 그대로 혼란의 퍼즐을 맞추는 영화입니다. 누가 악당인지, 누가 조종하고 있었는지, 누가 진실을 감추고 있었는지 엔딩에 가서야 진짜 의미가 드러나는 영화죠. 계획된 혼란, 예측 불가능한 질서, 그리고 딱 하나의 결론. 카오스 속에서 움직인 단 한 사람, 코너스. 오늘도 긴 영상 함께 해주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 작품도 기대해주세요.